Hi, my name is Anupalavi KV, and in this video, I'll simulate a basic wireless LAN using Cisco Packet Tracer. I'll be building the network, configure the wireless access point, connect few devices, then test connectivity with ping, and show the packet exchange in simulation mode. What is the concept of WLAN? WLAN is a network that allows devices like laptops, PCs, and smartphones to communicate without physical cables using radio waves. Devices connect to a central device called an access point or wireless router. Each WLAN is identified by an SSID, a unique network name. WLANs provide mobility, flexibility, and ease of device connection within unlimited areas such as homes, offices, or campuses. So now let us test a wireless connection. For a wireless connection, we need an access point. So for that, I'm going under the section wireless devices and let's select simple access point PT, and let me select few bunch of N devices, and I'm going under N devices section, and let me select PC, laptop, and smartphone. So here you can see that an automatic connection between smartphone and access point. This is because we did not set up SSID and password for the access point. So now let us set an SSID and password. Let us go under the config section. The port 0 is for wired connection and the port 1 is for wireless connection. Now let's go under port 1 section and let's give an SSID. I'm giving an SSID as access, and let me give a password. Close. Here you can see it is disconnected. Now let us connect the PC to the access point. So I selected PC, and here the module that is installed in the computer is wired module. So let us off the computer, and I'm going to remove the wired module, and I'm going to install the wireless module that is WMP300N. Let me install it to the computer, and I'm going to switch on the computer. Now let me go under the section desktop and select the PC wireless. Here under the connect, you can see the name access and the signal is 39%. Now let us go to the physical section. I'm selecting home city, and here the purple shows the radius of the strength of signal. Now I'm selecting corporate office. Here you can see main wiring closet. Now I'm going to include PC0 under wiring closet. Then I'm going to include laptop to the wiring closet. And finally, smartphone under wiring closet. Now let us go back to the logical section. Now let us refresh it. You can see the signal has increased to 100%. Now let us select the connect option and let's give the password. This was the password that was set up in the access point, and let's click the connect option. You can see that a connection has been established between the PC and the access point. Now let us go under the config section and let's select the wireless 0 section, and here we can see the SSID and password. Now let us connect the laptop. This is the same as what we have done for the PC. Now let us off the laptop. Let's remove the module for wired connection. And now I'm going to install the wireless module to the laptop. Let's on it. So when you go under the desktop section and select PC wireless, and go under the connect section, you can see the signal is 100%. Now let us give the password. And let's select connect. So now you can see that a connection has established between laptop and access point. Now let us connect the smartphone. Here we have to manually give the SSID and password. So let's go under wireless 0 section and let's give the SSID. And I'm going to give the password now. Now you can see that a connection has established between the smartphone and access point. Now let us give IP address for each devices. At first I have selected PC. Let's go under the desktop section and select the IP configuration section. Select static and give an IP address. So I'm giving an IP address 192.168.1.10. You can see the subnet mask is automatically shown. So we have set up IP address for PC. Now let us set up an IP address for laptop. Giving 192.168.1.11. You can see the subnet mask automatically showing. Now let us give an IP address for smartphone as well. Under the wireless 0 section, the desktop section, select static and give an IP address 168.1 and 12. You can see the subnet mask automatically showing. So now let's test the connectivity. I'm going to give a packet. Let's test by sending a packet from the computer to the smartphone. Now let us select the simulation mode. Let's play button. You can see the message going to the access point, and the access point is processing. And you can see the access point has sent the message to all the devices, but the PC and laptop are not meant for it. This is actually meant for the specific IP address of the smartphone. Now you can see the smartphone has sent back to the access point. The access point is processing. The access point has sent to all the other devices and it has reached to the PC. So now this shows that the connection is stable. So this is the simulation part. And talking about the working of WLAN, we have first done the access point setup. The access point creates a wireless network with a name called SSID. The devices connect to this SSID to join the network. Then we gave client connection for the wireless devices like PC, laptop, and smartphone. They scanned for available networks, they selected the SSID and connected using a password for security. This process is called association and authentication. The next one was IP address assignment. Once connected, the DHCP protocol automatically gives each device an IP address. This helps device identify each other in the network. And the next one was data communication. All the data passes through the access point. That is what we have seen. The access point processes the messages. Then the WLAN uses the IEEE 802.11 standard and the CSMA or CA method to share the wireless medium without collisions. And at last, we have done the connectivity test. To check if devices are connected properly, we used the ping command. The ping uses ICMP protocol to send and receive test messages between devices. I have shown the device setup, access point configuration, client association, IP assignment and connectivity test, and packet visualization. Thank you for watching.